Hello YouTube. Today we are going to share with you the procedure how to authorize a clearing agent on Saudi Customs website, which is fasa.sa. So anybody who wants to make an account on fasa, we have another video for that. You can see the description link below and you can see that video. But for make authorization, this is the procedure. To authorize the clearing agent, firstly you need to create an account on fasa website. Which is as easy as you make an account on Google or Hotmail. Once your account is created, you just have to follow these steps which I am going to share with you in the video to authorize your clearing agents through the Saudi ports. First you have to authorize on Saudi ports and then you have to go to the clearing agent authorization.